My dear listeners, today is the next problem, that is quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is the another measures of variability. Actually, we have four variabilities in measures of variability, that is range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation. Today, how to calculate the quartile deviation for group data, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಗೀಕೃತ ದತ್ತಾಂಶಗಳ ಚತುರ್ಥಕ ವಿಚಲನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. Quartile deviation means any distribution divides whole distribution into four parts. One is 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. This 25% we take, if you take the whole distribution as n, that is n by 4, 2n by 4, 3n by 4 and 4n by 4. That is similar to that of the median, that is Q2. Then how to find the quartile deviation? Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. This is the formula to find the quartile deviation. In median, you know how to find the median. That is what we call quartile deviation of second part or the middle part, that is n by 2. See, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, that is n by 2. There we use the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by Fm into I. For Q1 is same, that is L plus n by 4. There we take n by 2, here n by 4 minus Cf divided by Fm into I. In Q3 we take L plus 3n by 4, that is this is 3n by 4 minus Cf divided by Fm into I. See, this is the formula we are using for quartile deviation, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. See, while finding the median, we find Cf. You know how to find the Cf. Cf, we find the Cf by frequency. You just write 2 as it is. You add this 2 to this 3, that is 5. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 6 31, 31 plus 4 35, 35 plus 3 38, 38 plus 2 is 40. See, this is n is 40. Here by adding all these frequencies under the meaning of Cf is also 40. When this 40 is equal to this one, then your cumulative finding of cumulative frequency is correct. After finding the cumulative frequency, for finding quartile deviation 1, you use the formula L plus n by 4 minus Cf divided by Fm into I. First you find the n by 4 here. N by 4 is 40 is the n. Quartile means 4. 40 divided by 4 is 4 1s are 4 10s are 40. Then you find this quartile 1 in the cumulative frequency, that is it lies here. It lies here. This is what quartile deviation. For finding quartile deviation 1 part, in this part, see, its frequency is above the quartile deviation 1, that is 8 is the Cf, Fm is the 4, L is the 30 and 10 is the common, that is width of any class interval is 10. Then you have to put this all values of quartile deviation 1 in the formula, that is Q1 is equal to L is 30 plus 40 divided by 4 is 10 minus 8 divided by FM is 4, 4 into 10. Then 30 plus 10 minus 8 is 2 divided by 4 into 10. Then 4 ones are 4, 2.5, that is 4 ones are 4, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20, that is 2.5. Then you multiply this 2 into 2.5, that is 5. Then 30 plus 5 is 35. Next one is you find the quartile deviation 3. Means this is 3n by 4. First you find 3n by 4. How to find 3n by 4? N is 40 here. N is 40 here. 40 here. Divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4 tens are 10 into 3 is 30. This 30 you find the cumulative frequency, that is 30 lies in the 31 place. Then this is the quartile 3. See, once you find the quartile 3, you find the other values, that is F, FM, I and L. L is the Q3's, L is 60, FM is its frequency 6, CF is above this where Q3 lies is 25, and I is the again width. So now you put the values here. So L is 60 plus 3n by 4 is 30 minus CF is 25 is here. Fill the 25 divided by 6 is FM is the 6 here. Then width is 10. 60 plus 30 minus 25 is 5 divided by 6 into 10. Then 6 ones are 6, 1.66, that is 6 ones are 6, 4 remains, 6 6 36, again remains 4, 36, 1.66. Then multiply this 1.66 into 5 is 8.3. So 60 plus 8.3 is 68.3. Now we find Q1 and Q3 by using this formula. Let us fill these values in the QD, that is quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is equal to, Q3 is 68.3, Q1 is 35 minus 35 divided by 2. 68.3 minus 35 is 33.3 divided by 2. If you divide this by this, you can get 16.65. This is the quartile deviation of this whole problem. Means while finding the quartile deviation, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is important. Q3 is, that is L plus 3n by 4 minus CF divided by FM into I. Q1 is L plus 1 divided by 4 minus CF divided by FM into I. By finding all these values as you have did in the median, and fill this value here and find the quartile deviation. This is the finding of quartile deviation for the grouped data. Thank you.